Managing change. Leading a successful organizational transformation. Introduction to the Change Initiative. This presentation outlines a plan to implement new technology within the organization to enhance productivity and efficiency. The initiative transitions from manual systems to digital automation to reduce redundancy. The goal, a full implementation within 6 months. Leadership and stakeholder involvement are vital to minimize resistance and ensure adoption. Cotter, 2012. Understanding the type of change and forces of that change. The types of change. Transitional, shifting to a technology-driven system. The forces driving the change. External, the rapid digital transformation and competition. Internal, improved productivity and accuracy. The implications. Temporary disruption, dual systems, and need for additional training. The evidence. Arinajad and Shira, 2024, highlight digital adoption as essential for resilience. Anticipating and managing employee resistance. The common causes: job insecurity, anxiety about new tech, and unclear communication. The approach: open communication, hands-on training, peer mentoring, and recognition for adapters. Abbas and McNeil Wilson, 2025, found transparency and inclusion reduce resistance. Strategies for overcoming resistance. 1. Engage employees early in the planning and testing stage. 2. Provide structured education and feedback. 3. Encourage open forums for emotional support. 4. Recognize adaptable employees. 5. Use Lewin's unfreeze, change, refreeze model for sustained adoption. Communication plan and feedback loops. The change message: embracing innovation to work smarter, not harder. The objectives: build awareness, foster engagement, and clarify roles. What are the channels? Town halls, newsletters, meetings, and internet. Feedback: surveys, suggestion boxes, and Q&A. Cotter 2012 emphasized repetition and clarity for communication success. Leadership role as a change champion. Systems thinking. Align all subsystems towards change. Organizational culture. Encourage adaptability and learning. Communication. Practice transparency and listening. Change champion. Inspire, motivate, and celebrate milestones. Sheehan 2017 links culture leadership with successful change. Sustaining and reinforcing the change. Institutionalize new practices in policies and routines. Ensure continuous improvement and refresher trainings. Recognize innovation and maintain open communication. Ryan and Shearer 2024 stressed ongoing adaptation for sustainability. Measuring success, the KPIs, a 30% reduction in processing time, 95% staff efficiency in 6 months, 20% productivity increase. The evaluation tools, reports, dashboards, and interviews. And the outcome, improved efficiency and morale signal successful change. Training and development plan. The goal, build employee competence and confidence with the new system. Components of the training, the needs assessment. Identify existing knowledge gaps through surveys and pre-assessments. Tiered training modules offer beginner, intermediate, and advanced sessions. Blended learning, combine online tutorials, in-person workshops, and self-paced modules. The mentorship, assign early adopters to guide peers. And the evaluation, use quizzes, scenario-based tests, and post-training interviews to assess learning outcomes. And the outcome, a skilled, confident workforce capable of maximizing the benefits of this new technology. Change stakeholder analysis. Primary stakeholders, senior management. These are the key decision makers who sponsor and fund this initiative. Their visible support signals organizational commitment. The IT department, they're responsible for system design, testing, and troubleshooting. And the employees, end users who will adapt and use this technology in their daily operations. Secondary stakeholders, the clients, experience improved service quality as a result of the automation. And vendors provide ongoing technical support, updates, and troubleshooting. Key insight, each stakeholder group requires a unique engagement strategy and communication plan to ensure cooperation, ownership, and alignment with project goals. The change implementation timeline. Month one, planning and readiness. Conduct system needs analysis and stakeholder mapping. Set project milestones and assign roles. Month 2 to 3, the pilot testing phase. Deploy the new system in one department to identify issues early. Gather feedback and refine the process. Month 4 to 5, a full rollout. Train all staff and launch the system company-wide. Maintain dual systems for data integrity. And month 6, evaluation and stabilization. Conduct user satisfaction surveys, monitor your KPIs, and adjust as needed. Risk management plan. What are the potential risks? Employee resistance and low adoption rates. Technical errors during the migration process. Training delays or budget overruns. What are some of the mitigation strategies? Establish a risk monitoring committee. Maintain backup servers during migration. Allocate buffer time and contingency funds. Offer constant technical support and reassurance through transparent communication. The contingency plan. If system failure occurs, revert to backup data and implement immediate corrective measures while maintaining clear updates to all your staff. Organizational culture alignment. The objective: align technology adoption with organizational culture to encourage innovation and adaptability. The approach: encourage open discussions about success and the challenges. Highlight how technology supports the company's mission and values. Train leaders to model flexibility and continuous learning. Recognize and reward teams that demonstrate innovation. The outcome: a culture where change is normalized and employees see technology as empowerment rather than a disruption. Monitoring and evaluating framework. The purpose: ensure that technology implementation achieves the intended objectives. What are the key metrics? Percentage of employees actively using the system, a reduction in the manual processing errors, an increase in the task completion speed and productivity. How would we evaluate that? Evaluation tools: real-time dashboards, weekly reports, and satisfaction surveys. One-on-one feedback sessions for quality insights. And the review frequency: monthly progress reviews with quarterly strategic assessments. Budget and resource allocation. Budget breakdown: software and hardware, 40%. Training and development, 25%. Technical support, 15%. Communication and engagement, 10%. Contingency funds, 10%. What's the funding source? Internal reallocation and innovation grants. Resource optimization: utilize internal trainers and mentors to cut costs and improve engagement. And what's the goal? Maximize value while maintaining quality and timeliness. Conclusion and future outlook. The achievements. The technology change successfully enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and employee collaboration. Resistance was minimized through strong communication and an inclusive leadership. KPIs show significant productivity improvement and higher employee satisfaction. What are the next steps? Expand digital literacy initiatives across all departments. Evaluate potential AI or automation tools to build on our current momentum. Integrate continuous learning into performance appraisals. Leadership reflection. As a change leader, maintaining momentum is crucial. Continuous engagement, transparency, and recognition ensure that innovation becomes a lasting organizational value rather than a temporary project. References: Umass, and McNeil Wilson R., 2025, From Margins to Extremes, Economic Factors, Social Integration, and the Radicalization of European Youth, the Journal of Intercultural Studies, 1 through 17. Arinajad K. and Shira T.L., 2024, The Future of Organizational Transformation, Integrating Digital Resilience and Adaptive Leadership, from the Journal of Organizational Change Management, 37, Section 2, 215 through 229. Cotter, J.P., 2012, Leading Change, Harvard Business Review Press. Sheen, E.H., 2017, Organizational Culture and Leadership, 5th edition, Wiley.